So I have a tray of 9 trinket trays here, some rounds and some rectangles, and I've just taken one element, whether it's a piece of jewelry, I've got some keys, and dropped it in. I'm gonna put a little dash of glitter, and I really mean a little dash this time and not a bunch, just to give it a little sparkle, and pour it over. This is a really fun, easy project, and these are nice to give. So let's get started. I have my resin in a warm water bath. I always do that before I pour. I just measure out the resin amount and set it in like baby bath water temperature, warm for a minute or two to warm up. That resin is always terribly thick, and I like to thin it down some. It cuts down on the bubbles, makes it easier to go forward. Of course, it's only ProGlas 1000 resin for me. I suggest you check it out at fiberglasswarehouse.com. It is the only resin I use. I absolutely love it, and I think you will too. So once I get this mixed up, we'll pour a little resin and make something pretty. I just wanted to apologize here for that background noise. I always have the air purifier running when I'm working with resin, even though I do wear my respirator mask when I'm pouring. I like to run the air purifier as well, and there's just no masking that noise. So as you watch this portion of the video, ignore the sound effects. Okay, here we are back at my workstation with these little beauties. They turned out so cute. Try and get you in some good light here without all the reflection. This is just a nice size trinket tray. This one's a little deeper, but they're just so perfect to keep on your nightstand, or beside the sink, you know, when you wash your hands, to just throw your jewelry in at the end of the day. They're also nice, you know, for, you know, catch-alls, coins, keys, whatever. But, you know, I do a lot of ocean themed, and I decided to go different this time and just jewel them up a little bit. And I just love these keys and some of these trinkets I've put in. Of course, if you've got a St. Patrick's lover, this one is perfect. Like I said, just a little bit of glitter. These dried really nice overnight, and they're just going to be cute as they can be with jewelry in them. Look how cute that is. I love that little embellishment. I wish I had more of those. That's so cute. And then another one with a key. These are so precious. And then I've got some round ones, and they turned out just as nice. And they do just as well with throwing your jewelry in it. They're just the perfect size. They really are. Got some more keys here. I think the keys are just perfect. Steampunk is really popular, and these aren't really steampunky type keys, but They're not the industrial look. They're kind of fancy and shiny, but I do like the keys. This one, this jewelry piece, I've got one right here. It had a hole in the center, and I thought that looked a little empty, so I just had a little bead I put in the center of it to fill in that hole to make it look a bit more finished. And then this final one here with the key, just cute. Again, fun project to do for an afternoon. Make great gifts. I actually am starting to see these little trinket trays in the craft stores. I was in Hobby Lobby yesterday, and they had some of this type, only not as tall. Like I said, that one's pretty tall. And so they're starting to carry them. I also get them at places like At Home, Old Time Pottery, TJ Maxx is a good place to find them, back in the home goods section. So they're easy to find, and like I say, easy sellers and make great gifts. If you do the craft show circuit, these are a great sellers for a smaller price point. You can sell these for anywhere, depending on your area, for anywhere from $12 up to $24. So it's nice. All right, that's me for today, and hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what you're making, and have a great one. We'll see you next time.